One of the reasons a lot of traders fail is a problem that I faced when I started trading. It's the fact that they can't find the effective strategies in among the ineffective strategies that they use. This unfortunately means that many traders end up running out of time basically to become successful. It's not they don't have the skills, it's that they run out of time before realizing what the most effective strategies are. And so this got me then thinking, from people that I coach, people that I've trained, what have been the effective things that people have done to get themselves live, to get themselves moving? So what I'm going to do is try and break these things down. First up, looking at the pitfalls, the ineffective things that people do and the traps that people can fall into. We'll look at technical trading, how you can make your technical trading more effective. We'll look at order flow, how scalping can help no matter what style you use and help you accelerate your understanding and become more consistent in the way you read order flow. We'll bring this all into a framework because ultimately the most effective thing you have is a framework that can help you drive your trade ideas in certain directions. Leave the ineffective stuff at the door. So this is going to be an attempt to speed up people's learning, make what they do more effective, and give you guys a chance to see some of the things that I've seen work over the past few years. First session, 16th of March. It's going to be at 4 p.m. UK time. Click on the link, come join me. If you can't make it, do not worry. Click on the link, there will be a replay of that. So I'll see you on the session or on the replay. Catch you then.